I'm here earlier than I usually am. So Mr. Broken Wing Duck is here. And I can do whatever I want, so that's great. I'm not breaking the law. I'm enjoying tobacco from a cigar as usual. And they have their lovely, healthy geese feed. Taking some sips of water. Oh. Excuse me. I'm not going to bother him. I already took their spot. Do you want to sit under the bench? Do you want to sit under the bench, yes or no? I don't know. There's always a hierarchy somewhere in every group. Unfortunately, even if it's unknown to you. Like the Jeffrey Epstein economics. Jeffrey Epstein economy? Huh. I liked how I woke up early, naturally. Not with an alarm, with an annoying sound. Just naturally woke up early. I'm guessing back to factory settings. I'm not sure how true it is. I just watched a YouTube video, but apparently human beings, organisms, they have two sleeps, one at night, and then they wake up for like an hour or two and then go back to sleep. A second sleep. I learned that on a video on YouTube, something about history, until the Industrial Revolution came. Until then, so if you wake up at night, in the middle of the night, don't feel bad. That's actually your body going to factory settings as described in said video, cited. But it was a video. But if Epstein controls all the information that gets to us, then how much do we know is true? I don't know. I just let my body do what it naturally does. If I'm hungry, I'll make something to eat. I don't have to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I don't feel the need to have to, but you know, if I'm hungry, I'll eat. I will do that if necessary. Well, hello. Greetings. You've come to the... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure exactly. Well, I never really know everything. Well, it looks like the geese are going to be enjoying most of the healthy duck feed, which is fine. That'll leave more bugs and worms, and all kinds of organisms for them to consume. Oh, are you taking a piss? I didn't know ducks piss like fucking dogs. I never had a pet dog. I don't know. I had a weird instance with dogs hump on everything. They do. I'm not a huge fan. My first impressions of a dog was fucking them humping on people's legs. Not the best, so I'm just sticking with rabbits. I mean, dogs are cool when you see them, but keeping them? No, I can't do that. I don't hate dogs. I'm not scared of dogs. I just think they're fucking disgusting. Humping on people's legs and shit, that shit is weird. It's weird.